Hey guys, many times when students start the program, they're really nervous and they're just not sure how to be successful. So I wanted to share a few important tips with you. The first thing is to participate early and often. I recommend logging in at least 5 days a week. Have a plan, work your plan, post regularly, post questions, do all those things. Just actively participate in that class every single day. Just make it a part of what you do every day. Another thing is just really to ask questions. If you're not sure of what's expected, or you're not sure when something is due or what you're supposed to do, communicate with me. Also communicate anything that's going on. So if there's a problem and you can't log in, let me know that. The earlier you communicate and the more frequently you participate, the easier it will be to know what to do and when to do it. And it will also help me to help you. The other thing is to level load your work, and this goes along with participating every day. Sometimes what I find is students will wait until the weekend to try to get everything done, but it's too late. There's too much work to do. You won't really learn it. So it's a good idea to level load the work. And what I mean by that is look at everything that needs to be accomplished in the week and work on a little bit every day. So that way the amount of work you're doing is level over the course of the week. That will help you to remember, because when we learn, we tend to remember the beginning and the end of things. So we tend to forget what's in the middle. Kind of like when you go to a movie, you usually remember exactly what happened at the start of the movie and at the end of the movie, but in the middle can get a little bit fuzzy. So the more beginnings and endings you have, the more likely you are to really remember and learn the information. And finally, I'd like to encourage you to remember that your work in this program is going to show who you are as a professional. So you're making contacts, you're getting to know your colleagues in the class. Make sure that all of your communications are professional and make sure that you're on time with everything. That's part of demonstrating professionalism. And just make sure that everything you do shows what you're learning and shows that you really are taking yourself and your education to the next level. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. I look forward to a really good term with you.